There's lots of monster fish there. And one's dead there. Oh, never mind. Oh, there's also that fish there. Yeah, and there's a grouper. These are like pyramids, I think. And then the pyramids. Oh my gosh, this is so poor. This is so poor. It swims backwards. That's a monster lobster. And shrimps. More groupers and dead pyramids. Lots of fish. Lots of monster and small fish. Especially also rays. Look at that blue spotted rays. They're so beautiful. Okay. These fish are carnivores. They eat baby sharks.